Hi everyone, my name is Jessa Marie Cantillas, a senior student at Acsenda School of Management. Currently, I am your CPHR Student Ambassador for Acsenda.
And I'm Don De La Peña, a junior HR student, and I'll be stepping in the role of CPHR Student Ambassador.
We're here to walk you through an exciting opportunity that could help shape your HR career, becoming a student member of CPHR BC and Yukon. CPHR, or Chartered Professionals in Human Resources, has been around since 1942. With over 8,000 members and 1,400 student members across BC and Yukon, it's the gold standard in the HR certification in Canada.
Having your CPHR designation shows your credibility, commitment to ethical practices, and positions you as future leaders in HR.
CPHR supports HR professionals by promoting best practices and influencing workplace policies both locally and across Canada. As a student member, you'll have access to professional development workshops and seminars, the largest HR conference in Western Canada, online and in-person networking events, an exclusive job board and mentorship programs, and HR-focused discussion groups.
I actually attended a virtual student summit recently, and it was a great way to meet HR leaders and learn outside the classrooms.
Students also get the chance to volunteer through the Student Ambassador program, just like I did.
And now, it's my turn. Acsenda is proud to be an accredited post-secondary institution by CPHR BC and Yukon. That means our HR program aligns with the CPHR competency framework.
And if you graduate with 70% GPA or higher, you're eligible for a national knowledge exam waiver, plus a 25% discount on the waiver fee and student membership dues.
And if you're ready to invest in your HR future, join us today at CPHR BC and Yukon as student member. And don't forget to reach out for a student discount code.
Take the next step towards your HR future today. Thanks for watching!